Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy a Victoria's Secret gift card online. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the best and quickest way to do this is to open up a web browser and head on over to victoriassecret.com. Now once you're here, you want to find the search bar. So for me it's at the top on the right hand side. From here just type in gift card and then hit enter. And now this is going to send you to the gift card section of Victoria's Secret. If you can't get to this page, just copy this URL and then paste and put it in your URL. So victoriassecret.com/US VS gift cards. And now, so depending what type of gift card you want, if you want to do an e-gift card, click on e-gift cards, or if you want to do a physical gift card, click on gift cards. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do an e-gift card, so I'm going to click onto e-gift cards. Now from here we can choose the amount. So first we can choose the style. So you've got a few different styles here because it's Christmas time. They've got a few Christmas ones you can pick from depending on what season. If it's Easter, they're going to have like probably bunnies on there, etc. So yeah, so pick your design. I might go for keep it at the black one. And now choose the amount. So we got $25, $50, $75, $100, or you can do a custom amount. So enter amount between $10 and $500. From here, you want to put it who it's to and who it's from, and you can also click a date to send, and then put the recipient's email in here, and you can also send them a message as well. From here, you want to click on add to bag, and then check out with your card, and then put in your credit card, Visa information to continue with the purchase.